paggawa ng kanilang medical mission task, nabigyan ng medical attention ang 3 biktima, si Edward, nakaramdam ng hilo.
Oh God, we don't have it. Tubig!
Si Edward nahilo.
He was tired. Nakita ko he was so red, almost purple.
Yeah, and then also.
You rest, Edward.
You rest. Kisses and
Yes.
Christian, you will swap out for me and my.
Yes.
I was embarrassed, Kuya. I'm team leader. I'm supposed to be the one that's tireless. I'm supposed to be the one that's, lead by example.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Okay, 2 tao lang, iba-rush to the patient lang. 2 tao lang, to the patient.
Maima, you're not in, you're not in. You're with me, you're staying here.
Tinakbo ko na, inassess ko na kung ano yung kakailanganin, tapos yun po dinala na lahat.
Always on the foot, walang sa ulo, okay?
Okay.
Assist. Marco, baba mo na lahat. Library, I need you to cut on the waist down as well. Injured rin si ma'am sa right knee.
I was really happy with Christian. For the second victim, I wasn't there. Christian has a big voice, and he's very smart too. He's very quick on his feet, and he can think well under pressure.
Marco! Bandage! A lot! Take two, it's already made. Careful, it's already made.
Hey, are you okay? Hey, are you okay?
Samantala, nagpahinga muna ang leader na si Edward at si Maymay.
So I was a little ashamed that I wasn't continuing for the second victim.
Sabi ko sa sarili ko, Marco, your leader, your best friend is out now. Do your best. So binigay ko pa lakas ko, hindi po ako tumigil.
Thank you, Marco. Thank you.
Para sa akin yung nag-step up po si Marco kasi po, nung habang nakukulangan po kami ng mga gamit, siya po yung tigtakbo from safe zone papunta sa rescue zone po.
1, 3, 2, 1, up! Move! Yung pati ng sa bato, Marco. Then 1, 2, 1, then.
Maya-maya muling bumalik si Edward para tulungan ang mga kasama.
Go!
We had to work together. For the third victim, the problem was a broken leg.
I'll help you push up, yes, ma'am? Alright, Marco, my time. Are we clear on what to do?
Okay.
Let's be clear, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Deep breath, let's go! Good job!
The hardest part about the third victim was getting her on the stretcher without hurting her broken leg further.
1, 2, 3, up! Alright guys, going good. Marco, stay. Marco, reverse.
Na-test ko talaga yung determination ko physically kasi nagbibigay na po yung katawan ko. And 4 lang po kami noon.
Marco, watch out.
Yung pang pinakamahirap po, tumaas at bumaba. Mahirap lalo pag may tao ka dapat dadalhin.
Almost there.
Down, 1, 2, 3,
Kiss.
Edward!
Last key, guys, let's go. Back to the house.
Dahil po sa teamwork po namin, even though natagalan po kami, natapos din po namin.
Nang matapos ang kanilang medical mission, agad na nagpatuloy sa paglalakbay pataas ang mga housemates.
17 squad! Lucky 17 squad! Lucky 17 squad!
I was anxious to finish. I was anxious to get to put our flag next to the Filipino flag, because after so much work, after the 3